To automatically enroll students in automated groupings and courses to be taken one by one, go to Enrollment and click on Automated Enrollment. You will be taken to the Automated Enrollment menu, which works with groupings. But at first you will not have a grouping, so the first thing to do is add a grouping and click here. The menu you will be taken to has a few sections: Settings, Courses, Applicable to, and Exceptions. Below you have the total in the grouping and the users that are included. In the first section, Settings, you would have to fill in a group name and then a description. After you have completed those, you can click on the next section, Courses. In here, you have the categories of your different courses and the list of courses that are available. When you select a category, only the courses available in it will be visible. So, let's choose a course and add it to the grouping. As you can see, it has been added in the list. You can remove it from this icon here, but also you have the number of people that are manually enrolled and the number of manually unenrolled users. Let's add another course. And again, it's in the list. And now is the moment to relate and entangle those courses in a specific order. So select the course that you want to be related to this one here. And now, in order to reach the internal labor regulations course, users would have to pass the code of ethics first. Also, you can add more different courses to the mix and make again relations and entanglement, but this time the person would have to complete the previous two courses in order to join the efficient sales skills. Of course, this data is just for example. Let's continue. The next section is applicable to, and this section is related to which users the settings will be appointed and added. You can have the appointment to newcomers only, or set it to all except newcomers, or set it to all. So let's say we want each newcomer to be going through those courses. Below you have additional fields to complete in order to filter specific users or sections of your structure. Also, you can select specific users that you want it to be applied to. If, for example, they are not in the department you wish to assign the courses to, you can add manually different users to the mix, and so this way they will be included even though the filters are not set to include them. When you click Add, the users will be added to that grouping. The last section is Exceptions, where the principle is reversed and you can select which departments or different divisions of your organizations will be excluded from taking those courses in a group and in that order. Again, here you have the filters and you can select specific users that this course and grouping of courses will not apply to, and they will act as exceptions. And now we have a different total in the end. And if we are happy with the way we have arranged the settings, we can click on grouping to be enabled. And now you see it is enabled. Synchronization happens once every day and is automated, but if you have made changes, maybe it's a good idea to click on synchronization so that the changes can synchronize, or if there have been added new components to your organizational structure, maybe you've added more users, you can click synchronization so that the operation takes in effect immediately. Next, we have the delete button, which you can use to delete the grouping if necessary. And when you are done, you can always return to the menu with clicking the button All Groupings. When you want to edit the grouping, just click on the icon here.